Ever wonder what could spark the next big Bitcoin rally? According to top analysts, we just got the ninth bullish RSI signal, a move that's historically triggered monster runs, sometimes up to 35%. For those scratching their heads, RSI stands for Relative Strength Index. It's a simple way to measure if Bitcoin's been overbought or oversold. When this indicator flashes bullish, it's like a green light for traders. But remember, crypto's a wild ride, so don't bet the house. Meanwhile, Google just made a power move, teaming up with Sui Network to build a next-gen payment standard. Picture this: lightning-fast payments, ironclad security, and the scale of Google's cloud. Sui's blockchain is known for speed, and by plugging into Google's tech, they want to make payments smoother than ever, whether you're buying coffee or sending money across the world. And get this, Pantera Capital just doubled down on Solana, dropping a jaw-dropping $11 billion bet on the blockchain. They're putting their chips on Solana's speed and low fees as the next big thing in crypto. But they didn't stop there. Pantera's also eyeing Bitcoin to hit $750,000 in the coming years. Sounds crazy? Maybe. But they're betting the next wave of adoption and tight supply from the recent halving could send prices sky high. Crypto is moving fast. Signals are flashing, partnerships are forming, and the big players are making bold bets. What do you think? Bullish or bearish? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you next time.